Welcome to MLATS Arabic, an application program to learn Arabic quickly for beginners with 4 big step multilingual auto translation system. Second stage of MLATS Arabic is understanding question words or asma'ul istifham. At this stage, beginners will be introduced to several types of words such as how, yes no question, man, who, aina, where, kaifa, how, mata, when, come, where, and some other question words. Why do beginners have to understand question words? Because first, question words are the source of initial conversation. The doers must understand question word first. Second, making question is harder than answering question. People need to think harder when making question. Next, it is not effective to ask with sign language to communicate with normal people. Asking question requires much vocabulary. Lastly, the ability to make question is strongly related to one's language competence. Have a good study!